Hi everyone.
Hi.
We are back for our second video, and today we will be doing
we're doing paper airplanes.
So I've never actually made a paper airplane.
I've made a paper airplane before, but I
failed.
So we bought this
Paper airplane book kit.
Is that what they're supposed to look like? Because that does not look like paper airplanes. I'm not sure.
So I didn't read anything about this. I didn't read reviews. I have no idea if this is going to be any good, if we are going to be any good at it, and I have a feeling we are not going to do well. But we're going to try. Look, it says read this page, page 6.
Oh, page 6.
Yeah.
If you skip this page, your planes won't work. It's that simple.
First, make great folds. Great planes start with great folding. Perfect folding will save a bad throw, but no throw in the world will save sloppy folding. Lessons.
I thought it would come with paper.
I think it does. I hope. Oh my gosh.
Does it not come with paper?
No, it does. Okay.
Oh,
This is the paper. So it says exact folds will fly, sloppy folds won't fly. Okay.
Okay.
Check symmetry. Make sure they're. Oh look, you see how the.
A tiny difference.
No wonder. No wonder your planes used to fail. It's very precise. I mean, this is a lot of directions, and I feel like we should pay good attention to it. But I kind of want to just
Get to it and try it.
Yeah.
and see how bad it goes, and then maybe read these tips afterwards.
Yeah.
Oh, the swashbuckler. Don't you want to do that?
Yeah, we're doing the swashbuckler.
You can throw it like all kinds of ways. You can throw it up, straight, or even down.
Mom, we don't need scissors. Don't throw scissors, Mom.
You're right. That was dangerous.
We got the treasure map paper.
All right, so let's try to do the swashbuckler. Do your very most careful work. I'm gonna do my most careful work also. I'm gonna move this. Pick this corner and put it near the X.
Oh, we fold this and like
Yeah.
there?
I remember
The
that.
middle of the compass?
Try to be careful. Okay. And then do the same thing with the other corner. Fold and unfold. Okay.
Other corner. Oh my god, it's really straight.
Yeah, you did good.
That's really straight. I
Okay.
wasn't expecting that.
Yeah. It's harder now that we've already made a fold.
I actually have a cut on my finger, so this hurts a lot more.
Let me see. There is a slightly gaping cut on that finger. It looks like a paper cut. Did you get a paper cut?
No.
Oh, okay. You gotta watch out for paper cuts when doing this.
Yeah.
Okay, you should now have a big creased X on your paper.
Oh my god.
Like, this is really tricky.
Okay.
Precisely. Those are the words that freak me out. It's not like, make sure it's close. It's like,
Make sure it's on that bottom of the X. Mine's not exactly on it.
now flip. Yes. Ah. Now flip over.
Need to flip over?
He flipped on the floor.
Oh, how do you do that?
This is where things get complicated.
If
Wait,
look on option 6,
that.
That's the concern.
that's a concern.
Press here and the sides will pop up.
Press where and the sides will pop up?
You did it. See, it popped up before.
Oh.
This was like a hump, and now it's like, oh my god.
What?
These sides.
These
Oh,
sides?
mine is not.
How?
Okay.
Mine isn't really doing that.
Oh, right?
Like
Wait.
it is in the picture.
I mean,
It's not doing what it's doing in the picture.
well, no, you gotta poke it again. See, you unpoked it. I think you have yours upside down.
Is that what you're supposed to do?
I mean, yeah, sure. I mean,
Huh.
oh, maybe, wait,
Wait, what?
like that?
Wait.
Wait. No. Don't keep going.
Do not proceed.
So keep it like this,
Okay.
and then we're gonna bring it.
Oh.
Yes. That's what I did. It didn't actually say, but I think so. It says end like this. This looks good so far. I mean, oh
God.
this is, No, we're just gonna keep going.
Yeah, we're just gonna keep going.
Okay. Pick up just the top layer of the big triangle, folding the bottom left corner to the top.
What? Okay, I might have creased it a little. That's okay.
That's okay.
That's okay.
On this channel, we make mistakes.
We make a lot of mistakes. Mine's looking pretty good.
Mine's not.
Wait, what? Did you just make up your own step?
Yeah.
No. This is not. What has happened?
Like,
What has happened?
I don't know, but I'm following the direction.
Okay, yeah, there. Sure. What if yours flies so well? What if yours just like never stops? It just flies away into the clouds, and we're like,
This is what I have so far. Just do what it does in the picture. Oh. It's like that. Oh! I don't see how this is gonna turn into an airplane. Wait, is it gonna like go like this?
I don't know. We're not done yet. These are intricate. This is.
What do we do?
Yeah, it's, you got it, but there's like a lot of layers at
Like
this
this?
point. Yes. There are probably paper airplane masters out there that are just like, and then it's like, oh,
What?
this does not. Oh, okay, I had it the wrong
We'll
way.
also put the link in the description for this book if you want it. So go check that out if you want this book.
I mean, so far it's been very detailed. So here's where we're at.
Oh no.
Did you?
Oh no,
I know. Me
no.
too. No.
Oh
Me too.
no.
Oh, we're making a wing.
This is just a wing.
Ma-
Are we gonna have to do a whole thing?
No.
And this is just a wing?
No, like now we're at constructing the wing. You're like, this is the wing. Oh, I can understand the panic there. Make the wing by folding the top of the nose down to the bottom. The nose?
Where's the nose?
What's the nose? Let's figure this out. What is... Oh, wait, no.
Put this corner
Okay,
on
wait,
this
wait.
corner.
I think it's gonna be
What,
wrong.
on where? Like this? Like this?
I don't know. I think. It says end like this.
How?
There's a lot of layers at this point. It's
Make
getting-
the wing holding
I don't
the
know if you can
nose down
see.
to the bottom.
There's just a lot of layers. Okay. Does yours look like this?
Mine looks like this.
Close, yeah, right? That looks wrong to me, but I don't know. Let's just keep going.
Like that?
You can't just fold it again and be like this? Let me just keep folding it.
Okay.
Did you fold the nose to this corner?
Yes.
Then that's where we're at. Flip it over.
Oh, I did it wrong. Looks like this.
What did you do? This is an envelope now. Just keep trying.
Mine looks like this,
Here,
guys.
try to get back to this step.
Mine's thick.
Okay.
I'm just doing it.
Flip your plane over and do the same thing on the other side. Okay. Directions are getting more and more complicated with less and less pictures to really explain what's happening.
Oh, I made a mistake.
That is definitely not a plane. That is not a plane.
I made a mistake.
Flipping it, trying again.
I made a mistake.
Unfold so that your plane looks like this from the back.
I don't know, I'm just unfolding all of it.
Oh god. What is...
It says to unfold. Mom, it says to unfold.
Okay, I think this is how it's supposed to look.
Oh.
We then like add little like foldy uppies.
Oh. Did you
Unfold yours.
It said to
There.
unfold it.
Like unfold it a little. but alright, so I'm gonna...
I'm not good. That's mine's gonna fly.
This does not feel right. What's the end product supposed to look like? Like this? Oh man, why does mine look weird?
Let's try and fly it.
This is... And flying the swashbuckler. Look, it's supposed to look like that. And
Expectation. Reality.
Reality.
Let's try and fly it.
Alright.
Alright.
Where'd it go?
Right here. I mean, that was kind of cool.
I think this one did okay. And I'm going to rate my plane a 7 out of 10.
I'm gonna rate my plane a 0.
But
Because it's not a plane.
I think that if we did it well, then it could have flown pretty far.
Are we recording?
Yes.
Yay!
All right.
Okay, we're doing our second airplane. And I know what you're thinking. Why are we doing the second one? The other one was complete chaos. Because we like chaos here.
The Apex Predator.
Yeah, let's do the Apex Predator.
There's folding difficulty levels. This one is a 3. Let's see what the swashbuckler was. 2. The swashbuckler folding difficulty was a 2.
Then let's do this one.
That was so hard. We pretty much failed at a folding difficulty 2, and now we're gonna try a 3.
Yeah.
Hey, tiger.
Tiger.
Kid.
I wish you could like actually feel the fur.
This were scaly and textured, that would up the game. But for $10, what can you expect? Look at like that step right there is already like, I give up. Start like this. Nailed it. But also, I don't know if that's the back or the front.
Right after saying we did the first step, we're already confused when it's just laying down the paper.
It's
Wait, I mean, it really doesn't matter which side it is.
Well, it might. Don't you want it to look like this? Like this, just so you can...
No! What am I doing wrong?
Calm down. You can fold. Take your time. All right.
Tiger!
So, mine doesn't look symmetrical. Okay. This feels like basic paper airplane 101 stuff here.
Like what?
Like this.
Oh. This side with the white turned out orange. And the orange side turned out orange. Why'd they both turn out orange?
The mysteries.
The mysteries, the mysteries.
At what point you press it down? So I'm gonna try to make it look like the picture as much as I can.
Oh.
Right? It looks like that ish.
Like this?
Yeah. Left side.
Mom, it ripped.
Like this.
Mom,
You
I
ripped? Oh no. I don't know. I really don't. I'm already so confused. I just figured it out, I think.
Wow.
Somehow.
Wait, you fold this like that?
Yeah. See, doesn't that look like the picture?
Kinda.
Oh, it's right on top
What
of the other
big
side.
flap?
This one.
Oh. What?
Open up the whole thing and lay it flat. Wait, where did this crease come from?
Oh no, but I'm opening up the whole thing.
Oh
Yeah.
no, did I do it backwards?
Probably not the smartest decision after what happened last time.
Okay, we're
Oh.
good. Did you unfold yours again?
Yes. You said unfold the whole thing.
No.
Yes, you did.
We'll do a replay. We'll do a playback. Open up the whole thing and lay it flat. So can you make it look like this?
No.
We'll go with mine again.
Those of you guys who love making paper airplanes and you guys can make them so fast are probably laughing.
And I respect you. This is not easy. Right? Mad respect for the paper airplaners out there. Like that? Right?
Yeah?
That looks...
Fine.
What do?
We
fold! To To get longer flights, put elevators on the apex predator's wings. There's like other stuff you can do. We're not going to deal with that. All right, we've got enough on our hands here. I feel like this one wasn't as hard as the first one.
We jinxed it. Unfold and refold. Unfold the entire thing.
Do not. That is not sound advice. Bad folds will not fly. Almost finished, it says. Unfold the wings so your plane looks like this from the back.
I mean, it looks good. Let me show you what my planes look like. And my mom's plane. Let's go fly it. Okay, that's where it landed.
That one did pretty well. So
Yeah.
Just throwing. Thanks for watching us fail at paper airplanes, but it was fun. And again, if you want to try this, I think I do recommend it. What do you think?
If you know how to do it. Thank you for your time. Bye.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.